Hatco's online product configurators can be found on the Hatco website. At the top of the screen, select the Product Configurators button. Scroll down to the lower part of the screen where the Build-A-Lamp and Sneeze Guard configurators are shown. Click Sneeze Guard Configurator, which opens hatcosneezeguards.com. The website can also be accessed directly through that domain name. Scroll down to see Hatco's offerings or look to the top of the screen. For the sake of this demonstration, Passover, also known as Full Serve, is selected. When the desired Sneeze Guard post style is found, select Quotation. Select the Quotation button on the left to get to the Custom Configuration area. Be prepared with the length of the Sneeze Guard needed to be configured. There is a choice of lengths and number of bays desired to arrive at the final product. First, choose desired post height. 17¼ inches is the standard size, and custom sizing is available. A green check mark verifies all your selections. Next, choose face length A, face length B, then face length C. Custom sizes are available in 1/4 inch increments. As selections are being made, not only are the boxes being checked green, but the face panel measurements are being added to the Sneeze Guard drawing on the right. The next step is the selection of end panels. They can be put on both ends of the Sneeze Guard, right end only, left end only, or no ends. The end panel type refers to the depth of the glass desired. Standard will approximately meet the end of the back post. Extended will extend past the back post. Next, choose the mounting flange. There are 4 offerings: standard flange, flange with cover, above counter compression flange, and below counter compression flange. Notice that once a selection is made, the drawing is updated. The glass corner selection includes squared or rounded. An optional light bar is available. At this time, there are 2 post finishes offered: coated black or brushed stainless steel. After all selections are made, make sure the boxes on the right are checked green. The configurator has the ability to change how the Sneeze Guard is situated on the counter. For example, if the counter where the Sneeze Guard is to be installed has a 90-degree angle, the configurator will make adjustments. The adjustment made is shown in real time. Other helpful resources are shown at the bottom of the screen: PDF specs, Revit file, and DWG file. Once the desired Sneeze Guard is created, the next step is to click the Add to Cart button. At the top right side of the screen, notice the quote cart icon has 13 pieces in it. Select that icon for a breakdown of all of the pieces and components of the Sneeze Guard that was just designed on the configurator. Scroll down and on the bottom right, click on the Checkout button. To access the quote number, enter information required, then sign into the site. The ability to have a quote generated is available. It summarizes all the information as well as showing the list price.